Hey guys, we're Growing Up Without Borders, and today we are going to take you
fishing in the Marlborough Sounds.
Let's go.
We are Growing Up Without Borders, a family of 5 traveling to every country in the world. It all began with a 5-week trip to Europe back in 2013, which then led to us traveling to now 6 continents and 98 countries. We've been blessed to spend many months here in New Zealand and explored everything from the very top to the very bottom. Are you ready to join the journey? Let's go.
Today is another day out at sea, this time without Chloe, Julia, Tyler and I are going out
It's our turn to try.
on the fishing boat.
And see the Venetian flag there? It's all torn out.
Oh, we're going with some
The lion.
Venetians. Cool. Here we go. We're already fishing and we haven't even left yet. I don't understand what's going on.
That's a bait here.
Oh.
There we are, look at them. Look at the fish. They're all big.
We're getting the bait. I get it. We're getting the bait to go catch the fish.
That's a bait here.
Oh.
There we are, look at them. Look at the fish there.
This is old school, guys. Old school fishing. This is how it's done. Forget about the rods. Forget about going to buy your minnows at a store. I caught something. I caught some fish. Oh, I got big ones. I got big ones. They're really big. Look at
Two.
them.
You got 2, and I got 1.
They're flipping and flopping all over. This is authentic fishing at its purest. The guy who took us, he used to do the tugboats in Venice. So this guy, he even won a medal for, being able to do what he does so he can maneuver the boat and do all these things. I feel like we're in Italy with a bunch of Venetians. But we're in New Zealand, in Picton. I feel like I am riding a surfboard or something. This could be an epic day fishing in the Marlborough Sounds. Woohoo!
Julia and I found a book all about different species of fish, which we started observing just so we would know what we were catching in those deep blue waters. We have arrived after about maybe 10-15 minutes, finding the perfect spot. We are ready to go fishing.
What kind of fish are we catching today, guys?
Now we catch a cod.
Piero wants the box.
Codfish.
He
Blue
wants
cod.
the box.
Let's see what's coming out.
Gino,
Yep.
anche un grande me qua.
Okay. Need a box accanto di là. Piero's got the big one, he says.
No, where's the granddad? Here we go.
There we are.
Trying to find it.
So this one down there.
Yep.
You just hold the line, yeah.
Oh, I got.
Gino,
Did you
look
get
at
Julia?
Way! 2, she got 2!
Good
Yeah,
job,
yeah.
Julia! Woo-hoo!
You hold them up for your mother. Hello, Billy.
Yay! Good job! Look at
Now look at this one.
Look at this one.
This is the one we have to
look
take.
Look at this granddad. I said to go with the granddad.
I'm gonna smell like fishy fishermen, because that's what you do when you go fishing.
Shark, I caught a shark.
Another shark? Is it the same shark?
Another part.
Oh, this is my friend. This is my.
They name their things here. So Giuseppe is a bird over here.
Gino, butta prua butta.
Sì.
Look at the two fish. Good job, Julia.
Giuseppe.
Oh, look, Julia's got one. There's Giuseppe right there.
Giuseppe.
There's Giuseppe.
Ah, parrotfish.
They dive, eh? They dive down.
Hey, come in here.
Yeah,
There you are.
It's gone.
he
it
went
for later
diving
when he
down.
comes back.
Look. Look now. She got it?
Got it? Yep.
Now be careful. Be careful.
Hop.
Go.
No.
The whole
Very
thing
quick.
in his mouth.
Very
Look for the head. Look for the
pretty
head.
fast.
Look up.
Go.
Go.
Look at his
This
mouth.
one you can put the fingers in the mouth because it hasn't got teeth. The
Yeah.
slides is very small.
Yeah. Oh, that didn't go very far.
That's okay.
Oh yeah, I got a big one. I can feel it.
Good,
It's
good,
heavy.
good.
It's a heavy. It's either a grandpapa or
You're
a
the
shark.
granddad.
A grandpapa
Like a
or
mini
a shark.
crayfish.
Let's see what I got. Oh me, oh my. It's
Gino,
so heavy.
Gino,
I,
take
could,
it over
Yeah,
there.
yeah. Yep.
I came off. It's no longer there.
It came off.
It came off.
But it's still a small one. You had two fish on
I
the
had a
hook.
big one.
Pull up.
So it's just small left.
Something. But yeah,
It's gone.
swam away.
Was
What?
the barracuda that attacked it.
No way.
And you see what they done?
The barracuda.
The barracuda
attacked it.
attacked it. That was heavy for you.
I caught a barracuda.
It
Well,
was
the barracuda ate it.
Yeah.
Wow, that's crazy.
So now
Can you
we're
imagine
going.
you pull out a
No, it's
barracuda?
more. Now we give
Don't
them
move the
to.
feet. No, you
The
pull
shake.
up, but don't move the feet. To the
You
left.
are
Whoa.
ready. I'm ready.
And
Clunk,
he-
clunk, clunk. Go.
No, big,
Go
big
in
back.
outside.
It's good.
Go and fish anyway.
he got a good one.
Another good one.
Another good one.
Wow, Piero's doing fantastic today.
Lucky that I catch a fish today,
Yeah, you're doing really good.
especially for my brother because he doesn't catch much fish.
Oh yeah, right.
You wouldn't believe how many fish we caught. We literally were just catching one after the other after the other.
Yeah. It's just so peaceful and so serene and calm out here. Not big waves or anything. The sun is shining. It's just the right temperature. And having a great time. Okay, I'm going to give you a little bit of an understanding of where we are here when we left, where the ferry comes in. So, this here is Picton Harbor. So this here is Picton Harbor. When the ferry comes in, it actually comes in from over here. Goes all the way through the sound. This is the Queen Charlotte Sound. This is the open ocean here. And where we just went from, so we left from Picton and we went over somewhere in this area here. And now we are up here. So we're gonna go try and catch some more fish up here. There are seals out there on the rock. You see them? Taking in all the sunshine you could get. Alright, I need some more bait on this one here. This is the part I don't do. I just do the fishing part. I don't do the, none of that stuff. These guys are like authentic fishermen, so they know how to do it. Gino. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, comment and let us know if you like fishing. I know for some of you this might be really gross. But here we go. I swear I'm going to catch a big old fish for you guys.
Hey, give us alone. take it.
What is it? What did you get?
Nothing, fish.
Oh!
Look. Lose it.
This is the Growing Up Without Borders fishing show live to you from New Zealand. You guys are probably wondering how this all came about. How in the world did we end up on a boat in Picton with these two guys from Rovigno, right? They speak Italian amongst each other. They'll be like, spetta, spetta. Allora. Vieni qua.
Yeah.
Chloe and Tyler came out fishing like last week, and Chloe also caught a shark. This is gonna be fun. Catching some bait.
Io dico, prepara le togne. Sempre. Guarda che io sul posto mi.
Strong. Yeah. You don't need to go fast, just steady.
This one, you know what we're doing?
Yes, that's too small.
Come next year.
That's the common, gonna wait it here. Here, jellyfish.
Really? Oh wow, look at jellyfish.
Look at that.
That's white.
What did you get, Chloe?
I'm not sure. It's still heavy. No, it's still on.
No, they're there. Two, and the code.
Oh, look at that. Look at that one, Chloe.
No. Pull up the big fish. Pull up. You take in the hand.
Fish.
No, look. You take one hand here.
One hand there.
That's that one, I think.
Is it a good one?
Yes. I think it's a good one.
No, it's just not a shark.
Look at what you got. You got a
Yep.
shark.
Yeah. That's the second. This is a spiny dogfish. It's got the spikes. I'll just bring it up. Yeah. That's good. That's all right. You see the spikes on the tail? Yeah, one there and one on the front fin.
What does that do?
Oh, I can hurt. Yeah, I can hurt anybody. Okay, all right. Now I'll get him off.
Do you eat
Get the
it?
hook off the mouth.
You don't
That's
eat it,
not.
right?
Do you want to take a picture?
No.
What
kind of shark?
I don't want to get stung. There we are. Now I'm holding it steady. Come on.
A shark? My goodness.
Oh, two hooks he got. One on the
Wow.
snout and one in the mouth. Ah,
You greedy, eh?
This is arriving back in beautiful Picton Harbor. So, and Julia's the one driving the boat. This is for the 4-year-olds that are coming along that want to pretend. Here's something really interesting about these two gentlemen, Piero and Gino. They grew up in a little town called Rovigno. If you haven't seen our video about Rovigno, check up here. But basically, when their mom lived there, she lived in the same house her whole life, and if you can imagine, it was 4 different countries. So at one point it was Austria and Hungary, right?
Yep.
Then it turned to Italy for a short time. Then it was...
After the First World War,
Yeah.
became Italy.
Uh-huh.
Till the end of the Second World War. And the Second War became Yugoslavia.
That was Yugoslavia. And then, of course, that
And
dissolved.
after the Yugoslavia, when the Yugoslavia integrated, it became Croatia.
And then it was Croatia. But they will still not admit that they're from Croatia because for them, where do you guys say you're from?
Sorry?
Where do you say you're from?
From Rovigno.
Italian from
Rovigno.
Rovigno, actually Venetian, because under Venice we were till the end of the 18th century.
Right. So they're Venetians. So there you have it.
I'll tell you another comic thing.
Okay, tell us.
The name of the boat,
Uh-huh.
the name is Scoglionato.
Scoglionato.
You know what I mean?
No.
It's a very rude word.
Double meaning.
Double meaning.
Okay, what does it mean?
Yes, it's not anywhere.
Just said a bad word.
Coglioni mean balls.
Ah, couillon.
Yeah,
In
couillon.
French is couillon.
Couillon.
Same thing.
Yes,
Okay.
And the nato mean
Bowl.
without ball, without ball.
Ah.
I'm now without ball. And the but, it doesn't mean scoglio in Italian, mean reef that dry out with the low tide.
Okay.
And nato mean born there, born on the reef.
Okay.
When the real English translate, oh yeah, it makes sense. You are man of the sea, look like, but that double meaning mean no, I'm a rip off the ball.
Okay, we made tartar sauce to go with our fish fry tonight, and we made it homemade. And inside we put mayo, lemon, mustard, some pickles, and Worcester sauce. It's gonna be so good.
And we've got our baked potatoes and carrots. What have you girls been making?
Apple pie. Apple pie.
Like so good. And this is Viprino product. Look at this.
Thank you, Ever. Really good. Oh my goodness.
Homemade apple pie with the apples from the garden.
It's so good.
Thanks for watching our tour of fishing in the Marlborough Sounds. Make sure you guys subscribe and give us a big thumbs up. See you next time.